concluded. And I call the member for Ballarat.
Thank you very much, Speaker. My question is to the Deputy Prime Minister. Yesterday, the Deputy Prime Minister justified giving tens of thousands of taxpayer dollars to the owners of private jets because they helped ensure frontline medical personnel could get around the country. How many frontline medical personnel did billionaire Clive Palmer carry on his luxury private jet?
The Deputy Prime Minister has the call.
Mr Speaker, our entire aviation sector will be critical in supporting the broader economy and the recovery from the COVID-19 crisis. It supports hundreds of thousands of jobs, promotes competition and ensures services regularly reach all Australians. It is not possible for the aviation industry to hibernate over coming months without adequate government support. And I can hear them yelling out opposite, but this was what the member for Ballarat, the shadow Minister for Transport, actually had to say on the 3rd of April. Now, we acknowledge that it was necessary to provide the support on a sector-wide basis, and we did not discriminate. We did not discriminate between airlines. We did not discriminate between those operating charter flights. And let me tell you that the Royal Flying Doctor Service was also a beneficiary of the support that we have provided. $2.7 billion of support for the aviation sector. And I'm asked about the importance and what has transpired with charter flights. And I've said all along, repeatedly, ad nauseum, that planes in the air means jobs on the ground. And from a practical point of view, every commercial flight, and this is an important point, requires a minimum of 1 to 2 pilots, 1 cabin crew, 1 ground crew, 1 check-in, 1 airport reporting officer, 1 air traffic controller, 1 maintainer engineer, 1 firefighter, 1 airline operations personnel and 1 refueller. So every plane that takes off and lands requires ground crew, requires people to obviously ensure, and you may laugh and you may mock, but the fact is we are providing valuable assistance for the aviation sector.
Members on both sides.
That the Shadow Minister supported then does not obviously support now.